Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. We're in the Helga's Happy Holidays series. You guys asked for sides as some of the stuff for this holiday series. So besides the goopy mashed potatoes, which is always a big special thing like at New Year's and stuff for us, today I'm going to do a simple broccoli side. Basically it's Parmesan roasted broccoli. It's easy to do, but it goes great with any of these dinners, and it just adds a little extra something. So that's another side that we're going to do today, Parmesan baked broccoli. This isn't complicated. Broccoli, salt, pepper. I'm adding a little of my garden herb blend. Parmesan cheese, if you can get fresh grated, that's even better. Garlic and olive oil. And guys, I almost forgot, juice of a lemon. And when you're doing the broccoli, you know, you want to destem it and make sure you have it washed and cleaned, ready to go, like I do here. And we'll get this ready to put in the oven. Oven is preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to put some olive oil in my bag, and the garlic, and this is the easiest way to do this. They tell you to toss it in a bowl or a dish, but when it comes to coating things for baking like this, the Ziploc bag is still the best way to go in my estimation. As soon as I get this in here, we'll shake it up, get it all coated, add it to our dish, and then I will add the seasoning. Okay. We want to shake this up and get it really good and coated. Put the garlic all around, like that. And we'll add it to our dish, like so. See, it even looks pretty. And I'm just going to add very light salt because we don't salt a whole lot. And some pepper. And a little bit of my garden herb blend. And then we're going to put it in the oven to roast. And our Parmesan cheese and lemon is going to come at the end. And my broccoli is out of the oven. We're going to take some fresh lemon and just squeeze that over it all. That gives it a really nice pop. It also helps it keeps the color. And then we're just going to take the parm and sift it over. I mean, how can you not like this? Roasted broccoli, parm cheese. And it's ready to serve. How easy is that for a side dish? You know what time it is. Taste test time. So here's the broccoli. Look at that roasted Parmesan broccoli. And with the lemon and the cheese, it just makes it pop. Such a good way. Just tastes so fresh. Really nice this time of year. Such a great way to get your veggies in. Really good. A little bit of garlic. Garlic's good for you. So that's my roasted Parmesan broccoli. easy side dish, goes with anything. Try it for the holidays. It's a people pleaser, amps it up a little bit. So this was another in the series of the Helga's Happy Holidays, doing some sides. I also wanted to add that on my Facebook page, I also shared that if you want to send me a Christmas card with your favorite recipe, go ahead and send it to the address below the video in the description. And I will send, if you include your return address, I'll send you a card back with a recipe of mine. Not necessarily one you've even seen either. You might get something special. So just something fun to do for the holidays if you're so inclined. So that's my Parmesan roasted broccoli. Give it a shot for the holidays.